alaikum, it's me Lameya and now you're watching Lameya's English Patshala. So, every day I make videos about many kinds of grammars and pronunciations. But today it's going to be a bit different cause today I will just not teach you any kinds of lesson. In my channel, I not only show you about grammars and pronunciations, but also I just show about many kinds of creativities of mine. So today I'm going to show you that how can we draw a beautiful village scenery. So let's get into the video. First of all, to draw our drawing, we just need this art paper. Then we just need different color pencils. Then we also need the oil pastel colors and some beautiful pastel colors too. And obviously for our drawing we need the pencils and the eraser. It's must. Okay friends, do you know that why am I drawing this picture? I'm just drawing this picture for my favorite teacher and he's my idol. His name is Shaman sir. So yes, I just learned to speak English from him. So that's why I'm going to gift him this picture. So now let's get into the video. Here my drawing is done and now it to be framed. Finally, I have just done my drawing and framed it, and now I'm just going to give it to my favorite teacher, and he's my idol. So let's go.
So we are unwrapping. Okay, let's see what's beside this, right? Yes.
Yes. Yes, yes.
We are so excited.
Yes,
So
yes.
excited.
Oh, this
Oh, it's a painting. It's a painting. Wow, that's so nice.
He blessed me because he was so happy. That's it about my today's video, and hope you guys just enjoyed my video. Okay, just comment me down below that how was my today's video, and also subscribe my channel Lameya English Patshala and smash the like button and the notification button to get new videos every day. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel Lameya English Patshala. So that's it for today, and hope you guys enjoyed my video. Bye.